Hello guys, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. This is your friend, your girl, and your Lady G, your only Lady G. You're welcome to my channel. If today is your first time of watching my video, please you subscribe at the end of this video and don't forget to drop your comments below. You're highly welcome. For those of you that have subscribed to my channel before, I say thank you. May God bless you. Mercy. Hey. Today, the topic we want to treat today, not be small thing, no. But before I go, I will first want give this big hailing to Igbo people, the IPOB people. They make us proud. Igbo people, una dey there. Igbo kwenu, yay! Igbo kwenu, yay! Igbo kwezu edu, yay! Now what? Yes. The topic one I want to treat today now about our people when it make us proud for Germany. Most of una don't hear the video when don't they go viral about this former senator Ekweru Madu, when he be politician for Nigeria and he be lawyer at the same time. He come Germany all the way from Nigeria. He say he won't come chop yam. All the way from Nigeria to Germany to eat yam. Yam they grow for abroad. Yam they grow for abroad. There is fire on the mountain. Fire they burn for mountain. You they can't eat yam for here. You see? This is why I am so proud of these people that did this. Yes, I'm proud of them. Yes, now they don't be eye opener to many of us when they diaspora here. Yes, they don't give they don't put the beginning, they don't put step. That is everybody now. Their eye don't open. We don't see many things when we say we dey bear since when we be say we dey feel say this one will happen. Nothing they happen. Nothing they happen. Kudos to this guy. Odogu. Kudos to una. Anywhere una they are hail una. Yes. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. They say, now sheep, sheep, now it be the most quiet animal for this world. That is, it dey very quiet and calm. But it get where you go push and reach, where you go push and reach, sheep go bite you. Will come bite you like dog. Now it be the one with the experience. So, can you just imagine? Things they happen for Nigeria. Then none of them they talk put. Because they comfortable, because they get all the things when they need, they get all the asset, they get all the accessibility when they need, they don't lack anything. Poor man they suffer. Yes, what he make all these guys when he did for Germany, when he say they act so Ekweru Madu like that, what he make I think say they act like that? Because enough is enough. It don't too much. I still see some people still come out, see they talk, say, they're not doing well, they're not supposed to do like that. How they for doing? Igbo man especially, say we when they diaspora here, I know, but Igbo men, or especially Igbo people, they're ready to suffer, to do anything to earn money. That is, they feel enter inside hole, do any odd job, anything. That is to make them to take get waiting they want. That is for their daily bread. But if somebody just won't take them like that, open eye, when be say they look you, they will remember the suffer when they suffer. They don't feel just they look you, say all the suffer when they suffer, I go just they go underground like that. They know they accept that one. That one not one thing about them. They get mind. They get courage. They know they fear anything. If the way all these our brothers for Germany when they do like this, now so all of us when they diaspora here take corporate. I sure say all those people by now. Therefore don't know say kaki not be leather. Yes now. Therefore don't know say kaki not be leather. Therefore don't they arrange themselves. If before they come here now, they look back and forth. They count 1, 2. Yes, so for Nigeria, Egbe Weja they follow them here and there. Guidance, police, they follow them here and there. Anywhere where they go, helicopter go there for up, siren go there down, police go there back. They here like that, though. They work like that. If they come here, they don't get all those people when you go guide them. So we when they here, we get power. We when they diaspora here, we get power. Yes. They know if you come waiting the way that they do for Nigeria, the way that they run Nigeria, the way when be say that they do Nigerians, the way they like, they will come here, one can use the hand on us. No, we don't take nonsense. many of us wey dey for here, you know the kind job wey most of us dey do. Some people dey do odd jobs, some people dey do very dirty jobs, all na to make money. That is for things to dey okay, that is so that dem go dey okay, and people wey dey back home in Africa, they go dey okay. Then you go come suffer work the money for here, the money go reach Africa, e no get value, e no get anything wey go do. Yes, I'm proud of what they did. Yes, I hate them. Yes, anybody when dey the shoe when we dey, they go know say wetin dem do is right. Anybody when e dey support say wetin dem do e no good, na Nigerian person, and e dey say wetin dem do e no good, you go know say that person na pretender. He's just only suffering and smiling. Anybody when you talk like that, it's just only suffering and smiling, it's pretending. Nobody go talk say this hardship when e dey for Nigeria, you no get anybody when e dey touch. E dey touch everybody. If e dey touch we when dey diaspora here, make you talk of people when e dey Africa. Yes, na we be their voice. As they no let them talk, they no let them do anything, then we when e dey for here, they no fit still hear our voice. They no go fit hear our voice. Yes, na im make these people, na im make them do the things when they do. Okay, you just imagine. These people, they like the Ekweremadu and the rest, they no dey for Nigeria. They dey for Nigeria when be say different things dey happen. They no dey talk put. When Operation Python dance and Anaconda dance go dance for Igbo people for their place, una see billions of people, let me say millions, thousands of people when they waste. People like that, they no talk anything. People like that, they no talk anything because the thing no near, they no consign them. They betray their people. Now the people, they don't push them to tight corner. The people, they are angry now. Yes, the people are angry. You will hear most of the people when they talk for that video, when they go viral, when they talk say, una don't eat, una can't eat yam for here. When we say many things they happen for house. When they talk of fire on the mountain, now you they talk of to come eat yam. Make them they come now one by one. Make them come they eat yam. At least this one don't set example for them. Those one when be say they won't come eat yam, or they won't come take other things. People don't ready wait for them. Yes. Now you push them to tight corner. People cannot take it anymore. Okay, another thing when I want to add to this thing be say, you just imagine. Look, Sowore Omoyele Sowore, when they don't detain, they detain us since on the 3rd of August. When be say, you don't get what he do just because say he just talk say he won't do revolution, he won't lead revolution, he won't lead Nigerians, make them know they are right. Now they carry out the arrest them. They don't see anything for your hand. What it be revolution? Revolution na eye opener. That is, many people when you know say we dey our enemy for Nigeria, we dey for inside darkness. That is, all these people when they call politicians, they misuse us, they take wetin belong to us, they enjoy over enjoy. Then we they suffer. They any small thing that they come here, come for treatment. Their children that they here, that they go one of the best school. That is, that they look up to them as their successor. Then we when be say now we they suffer the suffer, now we they pay the tax, now we they pay the money, now we they do the work. Then we they live like animals when they bush when be say if dry season come, everywhere dry, all the whole grass don't dry, all the whole feed don't dry. Hardship go hold them. Now so we take they live for Nigeria. Can you just imagine that? Okay, you see Sowore when they hold now when I dey talk now. Wetin Sowore won't do when he talks say he want revolution, so that revolution are another way to pass message to the leaders, to tell them say we are not okay, we are not fine by the way with the way one and they handle us. Now the same thing not be happen for Germany, so now the same thing, no difference. Now the same thing, now almost like revolution. Yes. What it can happen as the thing the katakata they happen for Germany, when the katakata they happen, they call the authorities, they call their police. Those ones when they come, they don't do anything. What it make all those police they come be say they only come to maintain peace and order, not be say they won't arrest or they won't do anything. This one a civilized country. This is a civilized country. They not just they carry the arrest person like that. They won't press charges against them. They won't do this. How? You didn't say people when they here, you know if you manipulate them the way they manipulate people when they for Nigeria. Yes. They only come that moment to maintain peace and order. It go finish, now they go die down. Because they no say protest na normal thing. Even for here, for their country, they protest. When things are not going fine, the citizens, they are there to protest, to talk the way things be. Say they know they happy, or they want make them change this government, or they know they happy with this government, or the way that they take things, they run things with them, they don't like them. Now only Nigeria, now it be different thing. A good government supposed to protect their citizens. Government wey dey for here, their police and everything, they're ready to lay their life for one citizen. Yes, they're ready to lay their life. That is the example of good governance, and that is democracy. Not be democracy when in Nigeria when they call democracy. Now here, now you go know what they call democracy. If na Nigeria, that thing when it happened, this few days ago when it happened for Germany, if na Nigeria, now it for happen. All those people therefore don't be history now. Now history therefore be. Therefore don't be history. As all those police come, now war, now it will happen immediately. But when those one come, they only talk with mouth. They don't use anything. They don't use any violence against those people because they know say those people that they cry for their right. Yes, now even betterment of them. Because if our country good, we know what they carry kaya, they come here, come they disturb every time, every day. Millions of people they pack, they enter water from, they enter house, they enter uptown here, they pass water, they enter. Millions of people, thousands they die for road. So they no say wetin we dey talk na true. Even when they come, when that thing that katakata dey happen, they don already first see and say wetin dey happen for our country. They know say we no get good democracy, we no get good governance, and they know. So even say they come, they not come there because of a negative purpose. They come with positive purpose. So people when you don't know, make them know. These people when you do this thing for Germany, they try. I hate them. I give them hand. I give them hand. Tiri boza for them. Boza. I for people una too much. I not be Igbo, man. I not confused. I not be Igbo, But I just like the way that they run their things. I like the way that they run their things. Yes, as they don't set the boundary now. Yes, everybody now eye don't open. Everybody go follow. Yes. Everybody go follow. Okay, you take, make I give you a small example. You get one day when I go train station. That is, I won't take train. Then I can't see one woman come down for train. As the woman come down for train, if people want enter train, they get this section where they park that is where they park their bicycle. Then you will enter train. Maybe if you come back from where you go come carry your bicycle. So this particular woman that day, it be like say she leave her bicycle for where people they park their bicycle. She can't go where she they go. When she can't finish, she can't come back. Make she carry her bicycle go house. So before she go, when she leave her bicycle, they get wetin that they call lock. Lock when they lock bicycle. All those things when it be like chain. When she take lock her bicycle. So as she can't come back to come take her bicycle to go house, she not come see key when she take lock her bicycle. That is the key when you take lock that lock. She come misplace her. And it don't they late small. So she come they look here and here. Try look for the key. You know see am. You know what this woman do? The next thing, he call police. He called them. He call police. Police come. Before you know it, they don't land for her spot for where she stay with her bicycle. They don't come. When they come, they bring different materials. So it be say they go fit break the lock. When she take lock that bicycle, they come break her. But before they do, they come for ask the woman, make she show her identity to show say that she get the bicycle. She can't show her identity. Then they break the lock when they did the bicycle for her. She can't tell them thank you. She ride her bicycle. She go house. That is Western world for you. Uptown, now so that they live for here. That is Western world. That is democracy. Yes. Fire they burn for house. People when they kill people for house. Fulani herdsmen they do something. You go call police for Nigeria. They go answer you. Even for your house, koro when be say something they happen, you call them. They no go answer you. If they not say for no day, they go tell say one of their tire don burst. They go tell you different story. Only to open bicycle. This woman call them. The people call police people. Then come. They come rescue her at that moment because she dey in need. That is good governance. Now so good government supposed to they protect their citizens. But for Nigeria, that kind of thing not fit happen. They threaten us here and here. They carry Egbe wages. They follow them back and front. Siren they blow for front and back. Helicopter they for up. They follow them anywhere when they go. If you say bye, they go say boom. Anything when you talk, they come pick you for inside your house. You know if you talk, you know if you cry, you know if you do revolution. What thing go possible for that country? So I thank those people when he do this thing. At least this one an example to them. I don't even hear say some of them don't they even they cancel their trip. I hear say even the one when they call Carlo Orji, when he say he wants to come Germany. I don't know whether I am now he won't come eat too or what he won't come do. He don't cancel his trip when he hear what happened to his brother. Now wow, I not sure say what thing these people do now, what happen. I don't think say for the next 5 years, this man will great come Europe say come eat yam. And even though they don't be in all the rest, they are friends, all of them. Whether na this one politicians for Nigeria, they are all the same. It no matter which party when they belong to. If they tell anyone make it come eat yam again, I don't think for the next 5 years or 10 years they will think twice because what will happen now not be small thing If you watch the video, hey, make I show now. I feel like say make I show now in case of una when I don't know whether some of una don't see the video. Make I show now. Not be small thing, no. Not be small thing. Now what? Wait, make I show you now. Make I show now. Some people, make I show now. Some. Make I show now. Make I show you now. I don't know. Now, as I fit to show now, be this, I don't know whether una go see am well. But in case you don't see am well. Now that one now it happen for Germany. You see, I not be small thing though. If you hear the voice of the people that is there, be like say their patient don't run out. What did they happen? Now only Nigeria now be the country when it there for Africa. I know say every other Africa country they're bad, they get their problem, but Nigeria own is too much. Nigeria don't pass, be careful. And yet they say now them be giant of Africa. Giant of Africa, my foot. When I hear these people now, the tension when they vex. Before you can reach to this extent, that is, they don't bear different things. They don't bear different things. Now, because of the situation and the things when they happen for Nigeria, now it make them say they don't tire for the system. They want their own freedom. They want their own place. Give them their own place. They don't give them. Their request, they don't grant them. Yet they go there, they maltreat them every day. They go maltreat them, finish the people when he ask for this freedom. For Nigeria, different things they happen. Fulani herdsmen, they don't divide for everywhere, every corner of Nigeria. Villages, anywhere when you can talk of. Get no hiding place again. They everywhere. Then these people now, when it be say they power, now they're supposed to be the voice of the masses when they will fit talk. Because I know say boo now in their power, now this thing they happen. But people they when they around them, when they get power, when they will fit talk, tell and say this thing when you they implement, they will work like this. They pretend. They pretend they welcome all the idea when they bring. Then are the poor people, the poor masses, now they suffer. So why people not will take law into their hand? Yes, it happens in every part of the world, not the only way. When things don't go out of hand, the masses will cry out. They will revolt. They will do revolution. They will take law into their hand. Now will they see so? Sure, what when they put for there now for nothing's sake, waiting he do? He never even do anything when they carry and go put for something. He only just talk for man say he won't do revolution. To say he won't lead revolution, not be say he dey against our constitution. They against them. Waiting he do no different from these people when they Germany and when he dey behind when they lock and since how many days. The thing when these people do now, if na Nigeria now, all of them for don dey lag wish for alagbo or they for don dey kiri. Now that one be the government when they rule Nigeria. They treat us like animals. They treat us like say tomorrow no dey. So my people, now here now I go dey roll up my video. I just say make I just still rub mind with una, make I still bring my own things when I know about this thing, make I still talk my mind come out. I don't know wetin dey your mind, you when they watch me. So if you get your comment or you get things wey you wan add to this video when I don do, I beg, I won't make you add am. Yes, because your comment and the things when you add your view, e go still help some people. E go still make us know more things, because not be everything when I talk here, no be I know finish, no be everything when it dey happen, no be I know finish. Now the one when I know now I talk. So if you get your own when you want add, I beg, make you drop your comment below in the comment section. And please again, as you dey finish this video, no forget to subscribe. No forget to subscribe, and no forget to hit that small bell when it near subscription button. You see that place when they write subscription with red. You go click am. Then anytime when I get new video, now you go first get notification say I don't get new video, and with one small bell when you near am. So my people, una go take care of una self o, una go enjoy una self o. Now here I go to roll up my video. I hope to come your way next time, guys, and take care of yourself and have a blessed day. Bye.